when our finger changes on the second. The first one is this finger. Okay, this is Brad's recording, and we are recording. We're going to take our index finger and kind of lay it down here, and it's going to basically be fingering the 5th string, the 2nd fret. And the rest of our index finger is just going to kind of deaden these other strings. The only one we really need to get is the 5th string on this. And then we're going to do the down up strum. So I'm going to do them evenly. What you were just doing was a long, short, long, short, long, short. That's called a shuffle. Okay, you can do that too on this if you wanted. If that's what you feel, go ahead and do it. The main thing is we want to have our, and then our 3rd finger is going to come up here on the 5th string, on the 2nd and 4th beat, where the snare drum would be on my keyboard here. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's perfectly even. I'll show you the difference. Now here's a shuffle. The up is faster. Notice that. Up is short, so it's long, short, short. So that up strum is short. So when you started doing that naturally, that's kind of maybe what you feel. That's okay. But we also want to work on what I call the straight groove, which is no long, short. Everyone's equal. So finger goes down on the 1, 2, 3, 4, on the 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if you want to do a shuffle, you can go. All it is that when you do a shuffle, the up strum is faster than the down strum. The down strum is longer. Down, short, down, short, down, short. I did one note. You hear how short that second note is? Instead of equal. Okay, so as long as you know the difference of that, basically what I want you to do is get a feel strumming. So if some of it comes out in shuffle, that's what you feel, and that's what you heard, and that's cool. Okay, we want to basically get a feel with this, and also moving something on our left hand like this. We're going to get a coordination and a groove going. So it's a lot more fun than say just a E minor chord. But you can also practice E minor chord to A, like do 2 measures or 8 beats of each. So you go like this. 1, 2, ready, play. 2, 2. Let's switch. 2, 2. It's an A major chord, and you can also stick an A minor chord in there once in a while if you get bored of doing the same thing. 2. Just be sad there. Measures. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then instead of using 1, when you go in the second measure, you say 2, 2, 3, 4. If it was 3 measures, the next one would be 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's just what I'm counting here. Or you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just count 4 twice. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And don't forget the overplaying on the chords to clean them up and stuff, where you're going like, is this finger, in front? Can I play, for instance, the F chord? You can take this finger, this second finger, you can play up towards this string here, because why? Because this finger is ahead of it. So you're not going, even if you are up against that 3rd string, you're not going to hear it, because even if you're up against a 4-string, I should say. You're not going to hear it because you're playing ahead of it. Now, if I took this off, you hear it. Alright, so that's overplaying in one direction or another, so you can try to clean up your chords a little bit. Alright, that should do it.